We are getting into one of the most crucial times of year for online sellers, which is the holiday season. While Q4 has already begun, we still have time right now to appeal to buyers because as Black Friday comes along, as Christmas comes along, people are going to start shopping like crazy in just a few weeks. So I wanted to make this video talking about products that you should absolutely have on your Etsy shop available for customers and to post them now so that you can really take advantage of this spike that we're going to be seeing continuing on into the end of the year. And like I said, with this spike coming up, while any types of products can sell, there definitely are certain products that do sell better at this time of year, especially on Etsy. And as a print-on-demand seller for many years, I want to share with you my insight and what I feel are things that you should have on your store. And I use Printify for all of my print-on-demand products, so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you and showing you the products on today. It's my favorite print-on-demand supplier. I've been using them for years, and especially in Q4, they're very fast and fulfill my orders efficiently. So first off, one of my favorite products to sell, and it's definitely one that blew off the charts last year, is wrapping paper. So wrapping paper as in what someone is going to be ripping off of their present on Christmas Day or a birthday. I mean, there's lots of reasons why you need wrapping paper to wrap gifts, but especially during the holiday season, we're going to see a larger increase in people purchasing wrapping paper. And back when I went to Printify's Amplified event, I was talking with the team and other sellers, and we all were discussing how cool it was to see the demand in wrapping paper, especially last year, and the amount of people that are willing to buy custom or specifically designed wrapping paper. So it's something that people really are willing to buy, and it's something that, yes, sure, you can buy anywhere, but if you're putting it towards the right target audience, there is a market for it. So a few things that I would suggest for the wrapping paper is to have patterns that are specific for a certain type of niche. So maybe you're selling to a profession like Best Nurse Ever. You can make a really cool holiday wrapping paper for that. Or maybe you could even do a wrapping paper that is customized to someone's name or last name, or just trendy and cute patterns that look high quality and expensive. Especially with wrapping paper, this is one of those things that I would say in your mockups to really utilize high quality mockups. You can create some really great mockups using AI or sites like Placeit, and you could get really good photos of different packages with these wrapping paper that can really sell it. That's one that I would definitely list now, just because people are going to start buying gifts and want to start wrapping gifts. And like I said, it's going to take off in just a few weeks. Like when people just like start buying, I feel like it's like right around, mid-November of people just like, oh, I need to get Christmas gifts. And then you have up until like the week before where people are really buying and really making sure that they have gifts for everybody. The next item is ornaments, and ornaments go crazy every year on Etsy because of the personalization element. There's also so many different ways that you could go with it for baby's first Christmas and do specific themes. It could even be a family portrait or a drawn portrait, a portrait of someone's animal with their name for Christmas. There's so many angles you can put that in, and it really can tailor to any specific niche that you have on your store. Honestly, same for all these products. With ornaments though, what I really like is that Printify has a lot of different options. They have some that are specific shapes, can also do just round ones and different materials. So there's a lot of options to diversify in the ornament situation and to help you stand out on Etsy rather than just having the same boring ornament that everybody has. I personally had a lot of success with a star ornament that I was putting motivational stuff on. This was selling really well in the mental health niche for me. So I know for a fact that people are looking for them. And I would say too, to put in that this is home decor, even though it's an ornament, because home decor items sell extremely well on Etsy, especially in Q4, because people are decorating for a new season. So I highly recommend adding that in the description and title of your product. You can honestly set up a whole home decor store on Etsy that doesn't even sell specific items, just has like all these different types of home decor items and be extremely successful. I think that's a great idea, especially doing personalized home decor as well. Another product in the home decor category that is very good for gift giving is the new glass and other cutting boards that are available on Printify. I think these are incredible to do at different types of customizations and make a really nice high quality gift. And again, is a product that you can definitely mark up and have a higher profit margin, because when something is larger, heavier, and then also has personalization, you really can charge for what the product is. You'll definitely see higher profit margins from products like this than you would from, a t-shirt or sweatshirt, in my opinion. One of my favorite products to sell every year as well is candles. I think that candles are so incredible for print on demand. If If you followed my channel for a while, you may know that when I first started selling online, even before I started print on demand, I was hand pouring candles and selling them in self-care gift boxes, and it was such a struggle. And so the fact that we can now do print on demand with candles, I think is so incredible, because candles are actually very expensive to source in bulk. And so this was something that I learned the hard way. But now, as print on demand sellers and it being available on Printify with lots of different scents and jar options, it's so incredible. So it's one of my favorite products and has been since I've been selling products online. I specifically really like these amber soy candle jars. I think they're really beautiful and they're really fun to put specific types of designs on for maybe the holiday season or incorporating your niche with the holiday season. But of course you can do them customized as well with someone's photo. Maybe it's a funny photo or a meme photo that's customized by the customer, or it can be, you know, again, a housewarming gift for somebody's first home or first Christmas, and so on and so forth. But I think overall, in the colder months, sun is going down earlier and people want more of that like cozy vibe. Candles are something that a lot of people reach for, and the purchasing of them does increase during this holiday season. There's also a candle that I feel like not a lot of sellers do sell, and I think it's perfect for Etsy, and I've had success with it. It's the 7th Avenue Apocrisy candle. It's an 11-ounce full glass candle. It's a bit bigger. It has a different type of top. It comes from Swag Rabbit, which is the provider on Printify. I love this candle. I've ordered multiple samples of this. What I specifically love about it is that you can put designs around the entire candle itself rather than just having that one label in the front. I find this to be a little bit more unique and something that you can put more effort into the design and do something as if like the designs on a mug or a tumbler. If this is something that you already have a cute design that sells really well on a mug, you can use that same design and put it on a candle that has a full wraparound print. I think it's a really cool idea. And I know I'm mentioning a lot of home decor, but that is for good reason. Any types of pillow covers or blankets also sell really well. You can use really fun patterns and, you know, put these on different holiday blankets or pillows that someone can decorate with seasonally. In specific, I like the pillow covers, both in the suede and just the regular pillow covers. And then also I would recommend selling the new threaded blankets. I think these are so beautiful. I did a video talking about them not too long ago, which I can link for you, but overall they're a really high quality item. The print is impressive and it's a really great gift to receive. And honestly, there's not a huge competition with this threaded material on Etsy. So it could be a really great opportunity for you to get some sales. All in all, I want you to remember that all through the year, you do have an opportunity to sell online. Even though there is a spark in Q4, it doesn't mean that you can't list these products and sell them for the next year or even into Q1. People are still purchasing even after Christmas. And it's all about just understanding and knowing who your target audience is and how to incorporate and really take advantage of these spikes that we see. And like I said, it's not too late as long as you list them now. Etsy typically will have a little bit of buffer time when your listing goes live. I see it to be about 10 to 14 days before my listing actually starts to get traction. So do it now so that you can get in the algorithms and maybe even get a sale right away so that your listing is pushed to the holiday shoppers. And make sure that you are putting in your niche where you can. Try it out, see if there's a way that you can add a holiday trend to a specific design. Always do your research and know what designs are selling and try out more unique products rather than t-shirts and sweatshirts, because there's a lot of selling opportunity. Printify will be linked in the description below. I'll also leave some helpful video links if you'd like to check those out. And I post a lot of videos on my social media that can help you to get inspired with different designing and technique. So if you want to check that out, it will also be linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and happy selling.